I think I see them over there. Yeah, I think I see them too.
Okay, you guys, I have found Santa's reindeer. They are in Utah, in Springville, as a matter of fact, Mountain West Animal Hospital. And the guy that takes care of the reindeer is right here, Dr. Isaac Bott. So tell us a little bit about the reindeer.
Well, we have 6 resident reindeer here at Mountain West Animal Hospital, and they live here at our clinic, and they are here year-round. We feed them every day, and people are always welcome to stop by and see them. And yeah, ironically, here in Springville, we have the world's leading reindeer reproduction facility. And with my males, like the ones we have here behind us, their antlers grow up to 2 inches a day when they're growing. Very fast-growing tissue. It was just kind of a random opportunity where someone called and said, "Hey, I have some reindeer, and I hear you're good with reproduction. I think one's pregnant. Can you come and look at her?" And that started this whole journey that I've been on, and it's taken me all over the world working on these animals. And they're really fascinating. Just a fun species to work with.